Hello, travelers. I'm back. For now. Maybe. Anyway. Devotion. 80 sticks! As the Philistines panicked at their initial defeat at the hands of Jonathan and his armor-bearer, the noise of the tumult reached the ears of Saul. He quickly took steps to find out what was going on and who was responsible. In verse 18, he told Ahiah, the priest, to bring the ark. Saul wanted Ahiah, the priest, to do something very spiritual. He wanted him to inquire of God and find out what he should do. But what happens next is very instructive. 1 Samuel 14:19. And it came to pass, while Saul talked unto the priest, that the noise that was in the host of the Philistines went on and increased. And Saul said unto the priest, Withdraw thine hand. And Saul and all the people that were with him assembled themselves, and they came to the battle, and behold, every man's sword was against his fellow, and there was a very great discomfiture. In the middle of praying, it became clear that there was a battle for life and death going on. So Saul told the priest to stop what he was doing, and all the men of war rushed out to battle. How interesting to realize that there is a time to be still and pray, and there is also a time to set prayer aside in favor of battle. Some years ago, a rather poor excuse for a husband told me that if someone broke into his home to assault his wife and children, he would pray. I told him that I would pray too. Lord, please don't let me miss with a single shot. Do understand that pacifism is not biblical, especially when it comes to innocent wives and children. The good God of heaven gave those wives and children husbands and fathers, so that there would be someone there to do violence on their behalf should they ever be threatened. I would hate to stand before God one day and have him say, Why did you allow the precious child I gave you to be hurt? And then try to explain to him that I prayed while it was happening? I think not. Wonderful lesson. There are some things we should fight for. Have a blessed day.